Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change the loop setting on your video background on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us. In the top left corner, we have your sites where you can check out all of your websites. We have the setup, home. We also have the settings, the design site in the bottom left corner, in the right corner also, and of course the dashboard where we are at the moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change the loop setting on your video background on Wix. First of all, you need to go to your editor. Go to the bottom left corner or the top right corner, click design site, and you will have it like here. Then click site design on the left side of the editor. And when you click on the site design, which we have here on the left side, as you can see, hover over page background and click customize. After clicking customize, click settings on the video background preview, and then click the play in a loop toggle to enable or disable looping. When enabled, the video background plays on repeat. When disabled, the video background plays once on a loading. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.